Okay, so hello everyone. Hep hep. Hooray. Okay, may hapon sa tanan and welcome to Cebu Ocean Parks Amphitheater. By the way, my name is PJ. I'm going to be your host for this afternoon. Our next featured birds are just like any married couples. Monogamous, meaning they only have one partner their entire lifetime. Pretty romantic, isn't it? But as any couples would attest, in our relationships there always be battles. Now let's meet our beautiful pair of blue and gold macaw, Blue and Azul. So today they will battle it over who is the best in the basketball game. But before we continue, I'll be dividing you guys into two groups. Now all the boys will cheer for Blue. Come on boys, say go Blue, go Blue. And all the girls will cheer for Azul. Come on girls, say go Azul, go Azul.
Go Azul!
Okay,
Go
so are you guys
Azul!
ready for the basketball game? Okay, so birds ready, trainers are ready. Get set, go! Now here comes both birds on the team. First ball for both birds. Now second ball for Azul, second ball for Blue. The last ball is going to win. Blue wins this game. So that's alright, Azul. Okay, so Trainer Kappa, you guys lose this game. What can you say?
I want another race.
Oh, you want another race in your cheer?
Are you sure about that? You want Azul to lose again?
Well, this time I guarantee you that Azul will win.
So what race do you have in mind?
Yeah, what race by the way?
Let's do a ring race.
So what is a ring race?
So the first person to drop all 3 rings into the pool the fastest is the winner. That is the ring race.
Okay, so a ring race it shall be. Now girls, remember that boys already got 1 point, so let's cheer louder for Azul to win this time. And we're gonna do it with our ring race. Okay, so are you guys ready for the second round? Okay, so first ready, set, go! Now here comes Blue again for the first thing you need to wait. Here comes the second hit. What is this? Azul beats the 3 rings at the same time. What a clever technique by the girls. Trainer Gian, did you see the 3 rings at the same time? What can you say?
What was that, Trainer Cat? You guys very cheated.
Oh, did you guys cheat?
We didn't cheat. Azul just used her brain.
Okay, so is it true that the girls are more wiser than the boys?
Yes!
How about a round of applause for Blue and Azul? Okay, now it's time. I need an adult volunteer with a money bill. Just raise your hand and I'll choose. Okay, yes sir. Please come join me in the front and bring with you your money bill. 20, 50, 100 bills will do. So guys, as you'll notice, most of our birds in the show are parrots. It's because parrots are highly intelligent, charismatic, colorful, and musically inclined. They have a good memory and remember even the smallest and slightest details. Any of those producers? Okay, there you go. First of all, may I have your name, please?
Around.
Oh, the round of applause for volunteer, Mr. Rob. Okay, sir, can you just stand right there? Now face towards me and extend your left arm sideways like this. Okay, good. As I will putting the money between your fingers. Okay, now sir, no matter what happens, don't move or swing your arm. Okay? Now, do you have any idea what will gonna happen next? No idea. What is sir? Okay, tagaan ka idea, sir. A crocodile will jump over that water and get the money. Is that okay with you? Hindi mo no pa, guys. Mag-ikat ang crocodile na di mo pa, guys. Joke lang, sir. Now, here comes our money bird Blue. Our money bird Blue can decide if the money is paid or not. So, Blue, shall we? Now Blue flies over, gets the money bill. What's next, Blue? Blue flies back into the table, and I guess Blue wants to donate the money! How about a round of applause for our generous donor, Mr. Ram? May nanakapunta si Sir, no? Donate din siya para sa ato mga birds. Sir, basi na pa sa mga barkada, sir. Kailangan mo donate, sir. Amo-amo mo na to, sir. Wala na. Actually, just kidding, sir. It's just part of the show. We will return the money, but before that, Blue wants to have a picture with you for souvenir. Okay, so just follow trainer Gian's instruction. So you're gonna have a photo opportunity with our lovely bird. Now give us your best pose and best smile together with our funny bird Blue. On Instagram, on Facebook profile. Okay, there you go. And here's the money back. How about the round of applause for Bonzi here? Funny bird Blue. Okay guys, so up next, let's get up close and personal with our three different kinds of parrots that we have here in Cebu Ocean Park. So you're gonna have a close interaction with our lovely bird. So guys, mudoon mi sa inyo tubangan o may ila-ila o tagsa-tagsa ang mga parrot. So just a friendly reminder, don't try to reach or touch the feathers sa bird para dili sila pagulatan guys. Okay, so let's go in our green-winged macaw bandit, our eclectus parrot red, and our blue and gold macaw goldie. So this is red, this one is goldie, and that is bandit. Okay, so first off, in my left, picture Gian is bandit. So bandit is a green-winged macaw. As you can see, her body is covered with mostly red plumage. Its wing and tail feathers are blue and green. This macaw has a white naked face striped with small red feathers. They are the second largest parrot next to the highest head macaw. That's why they are called the gentle giants of the parrot family. Their scientific name is Ara pleuropterus. Say hi to everyone. Bandit. Hi. How about the other side? Hello. Okay, so there you go. Nakakabi po si Bandit Skills, no? So next up, in my right, we have Goldie. So Goldie is our blue and gold macaw. Well, blue and gold macaw is a beautiful shade of blue in her back and a solid shade of yellow on their belly and in their wings. Its eyes and beak are solid black. So blue and gold macaw belongs to our group of parrots that measures about 80 centimeters in length. These birds can be found in Peru, Brazil, Bolivia, and Paraguay. Their scientific name is Ara araraura. Okay, now lastly with me here is our eclectus parrot red. So eclectus parrot is very unusual in the parrot family. It's because of their extreme sexual dimorphism, meaning they have a visual striking differences between a male and a female. So as you can see, red right here is a female eclectus parrot. It's because of her bright red colored feathers, while also the male will appear bright green colored feathers. Okay, so take note guys, na kanilang traits is specific lang sa
Hi!
so it's not applicable.
Guwapa!
Kanina bird, dali ko rin may ihan. Kung makita ko red, it means
Pagkaon anagaan.
kung green, it means perceptive. That is why we continue to enhance their skills so that they won't get bored. Now, who knows this game? This is called the Shape Box Puzzle. Do you remember playing this game when you were still a kid? Now, here comes Bandit once again, and he's going to show us how intelligent he is by putting all shape right back to its correct slots. Okay, so take note guys, that the shape box puzzle is a learned behavior. So it's not possible that that is intelligence, memory, and perception. And also they use this skill in the wild to find food and find shelter. These birds typically feed on seeds, nuts, salts, and minerals along the river banks. Okay, last shape, Bandit. Okay, there you go. Intelligent right. How about a round of applause for Cleveland McCall Benny? Okay guys, now I have here an object or a ball which I will hide under one of these three silver cups. So as you can see, it's all empty. Now where do you want me to put this object? On your left, right, or in the middle? Which side? Left, right, middle. Okay, so let's put it right here. Now let's call in our psychic bird, Goldie. So Goldie have a psychic ability. Now guys, do you think that Goldie can find a hidden object for us? If it's a yes, let me hear you cheer. You can do it, Goldie.
You can do it, Goldie!
Goldie, find a hidden object for us, please. Where could it be? Goldie searching, scanning the shop, using her psychic power. And there you go, she found it. How about a round of applause for our psychic bird, Goldie? Okay guys, so earlier we have shown you different kinds of macaws and neglectus butter. Now this time we would like to show you our three different kinds of cockatoos that we have here in Cebu Ocean Park. Now there are 21 different kinds of cockatoos living across the globe. And here in Cebu Ocean Park we have three different kinds. We have the sulfur-crested cockatoo, umbrella cockatoo, and a Moluccan cockatoo. Okay guys, so let's call in Tweety, Nigel, and Snow. So once again guys, we're gonna have an up close and personal with these lovely birds. So this is Tweety, this one is Nigel, and lastly, Gian is okay, so first off with me here is Tweety. So Tweety is a sulfur-crested cockatoo, or its scientific name is Cakatua galaneta. So these birds prefer their habitats along the edges of tropical and subtropical rainforests. So these birds are primarily white with black curved bills, and they have a distinctive yellow sulfur crest and a yellowish color of their underside wing and tail feathers. So that's all for Tweety, our sulfur-crested cockatoo. So next up, in my right, we have Nigel. So Nigel is an umbrella cockatoo, or its scientific name is Cakatua alba. So this bird can be easily distinguished through the other cockatoos by their woolly white crest that raises like an umbrella. So guys, if you're gonna compare Tweety and Nigel, you can clearly see the difference of the two. So Tweety have a yellow sulfur crest, while Nigel have a pure white and plain crest. Okay, now lastly, up there is Snow. So Snow is a Moluccan cockatoo. Its scientific name is Cakatua molucensis. So this bird is endemic in Sarawak archipelago in eastern Indonesia.
Sabay.
They are the largest among the wild cockatoo species. So Snow have a pinkish white colored feather on its crest. That's why they're called the salmon-crested cockatoo. So guys, in general, cockatoos raise their crest feather for communication and expressing their mood. So when they're excited, threatened, or during mating. So those Kakatu, Tweety our sulfur crested Kakatu, and Igel our umbrella Kakatu.
Hayag na jud Wing.
Okay, now this time, who here loves math? So I believe everyone knows addition, right? Now do you believe birds can do mathematics? Well, the next part of the show will leave most people baffled and amazed with the trainers. But before we call in our mathematical wizard, I will be asking from you guys two numbers between 1 to 20. Can someone give me numbers from 1 to 20? 8. It's the one. How about the second number on this side? Ilan? 20 ka na? Ilan yan number? 20. Okay. So our equation would be 10 plus 20. And we all know the answer is right. But we must not tell the answer yet. Let's see if our great mathematician can solve this equation. But before that, let me shuffle these numbers first. Okay, so there you go. Now the number that been shuffled. Now let's call in our mathematical wizards. No. So once again, Snow is our Malukan Kakatu. So guys, nagawas na ni Ganihaw. Naghakan ako trivia earlier regarding this number. Okay, so Trinergy, our equation is 10 plus 20. Do you think Snow can answer this equation? Okay, Snow, please solve the equation for us. And she picked the first number, number 3. So guys, did you pick the first number correct?
Yes.
Okay, good start, Snow. Now off to the second number. So Snow really loves math. And there you go. She answered it correctly. How about a round of applause for our mathematical wizards?
Woo!
So 10 plus 20 is equals to 30. Okay, so for the next birds we would like to show you is different from our colorful parrots. So these birds are called as birds of prey or known as raptor. So raptor came from a Latin word, rapiere, meaning to seize or take by force. Now these birds hunt using their strong talents and powerful beaks. And also they are characterized by their excellent flying ability and keen vision. So around the world there are 446 kinds of raptors. And here in Cebu Ocean Park, we have two different kinds. We have the Brahminy kind and the Philippine serpent eagle. Okay guys, so first off, let's meet our Brahminy kind kingdom.
Kailangan gani.
Okay, there you go. Brahminy kind are scientifically known as Alyastor eagles. They are locally known as Lawing or Manok in the Visayas region. So these birds can be found in Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia, and Australia, where they're known as redback sea eagles. So did you guys know that this bird indulges kleptopathism? It's an ability where this bird can obtain other animals' food without exerting much effort, time, and energy. Okay, so there you go for Brahminy kind kingdom. Now in the world, the birds of prey females are usually larger than the males. It's because females have a better position in nesting and breeding behaviors. Okay guys, so next for raptor. Now let's call in our Philippine serpent eagle ready. Okay, so there you go. Philippine serpent eagle are scientifically known as Spilornis holospilus. So this bird can be easily distinguished through unvalified spots over its body and they have a yellow face. So guys, as you can see, both our trainers are using a black gloves. It's called a falconry gauntlet. It is used to protect our skin from their sharp talons and beaks. So did you guys know that these birds are called serpent eagles because in the wild they love to prey reptile and snakes.
Eee,
So
cute.
as you can see, our eagle right there have a bigger and have a wider wingspan. That's why they tend to prey on rodents such as other birds and reptiles. Okay, so there you go. For Philippine serpent eagle, we're ready. Okay guys, additional trivia. Both kingdom and Freddy are rescued birds, so they are related from DENR. They arrived here upon COVID period last year. So kitagaan silang pagkaon, nourish, and also
Hira mo na niya mo.
trained animals na
Tanong
sila.
ka.
Okay, now lastly, for flying birds, please look to your left. Presenting our homing pigeons.
Woohoo.
Okay, so there you go for homing pigeons. So homing pigeons have a name, homing ability, meaning they will go back to their nest to mate. They have a special sense called magnetoreception. This special skills allows them to detect Earth's magnetic field, allowing them to perceive altitude, direction, and location. Now how about a round of applause for birds of prey and our homing pigeons. Now here in Cebu Ocean Park, we believe there is hope. So we are not just trying to take care of our friends in the ocean, but also in the land and the air as well. Now, who knows the 3 R's of the proper waste disposal? Is the reduce, reuse, and recycle. That's right. Now here comes our lovely bird once again. And he's going to show us how to do the proper waste disposal. Now it's sad to see that a lot of animals are struggling their life due to pollution and improper waste management. So let's help keep our environment clean and fresh, saves the earth from global warming and reduces environmental pollution. Now let's come together and save one of the greatest creation of God and gift of Mother Nature. Now see if Bandit can do it, then so can we. So, by the way guys, before we end our show, we are inviting you to have a souvenir photos with our lovely birds. So, pwede ka makapicture guys, nila, ari sa atubangan, kamo mo mugunit sa mga birds ha. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, we hope you enjoy our bird show. Now, are the birds spectacular? Well, in our own ways, no matter how small the effort we take, let's take action in saving them from extinction. And please, let's do our part in saving this wonderful world. Because remember, this is the only home that we got. Now, let's present the birds and the trainers to the show possible. We have Trainer Jen right there, that's DJ. We have Trainer Kat right here with Bandit, and Trainer Gian with Tweety. And along the other staffs here in Cebu Ocean Park. This is me again, BJ, your host for this afternoon. Thank you for watching and goodbye.
Bye.
See you next time, guys.
Thank you.
Okay, once again, to those who want to submit their photos with our lovely birds, please come forward here to the stage and we're going to have a photo opportunity with the lovely birds.